Okay, great. So as you can see here, I chose to text them to myself. It's much easier, iPhone, Mac. So all you do is hold it down, hit save. Same for the other one. And for sake of an example here, I did take a picture of just one of the shirts here, and I'll show you the way I did it. You just come to any of your campaigns. We'll take this one for example. And all we're going to do is just click and drag it over here and send that to yourself. Now the format that's going to come in is like this. So as you can tell, when you post that on Instagram, it's going to cut it into a square, and it's really going to look pretty bad. So to remedy this, you can get this free app called Square Ready. It makes Instagram a lot easier. Go ahead and hit the top left corner here. We'll choose that cutoff shirt. And what we're going to do is hit at the bottom center, there's like a expand type button there. Just hit that and then hit export top right to your albums. And JPEG, it doesn't really matter which one you choose. I like to choose the highest number one here, just the most pixels. Perfect. It's going to give you an ad. You don't need that because it's already going to be in your album. Perfect. So there we go. So now, as you can see, it's a square, and we can do that for these as well. But it's really generally just for the ones that are going to be cut off terribly. So that's a nice little thing to have, Square Ready app.